Hi friends, this video shows how to insert memory card into Canon R50 camera. We can locate memory card slot on the back side of the R50 camera. We have to open this. Here we can see a lock, open. We have to just pull this and we can open, see. And this is the battery slot and this is the memory card slot. I am going to insert this memory card. This is 32 GB memory card. So we can insert like this. So you can check this label has to come this side. Okay, then just insert like this. Then just push. Done. After that we can close this. Then lock it. See, this way we can insert memory card. If you want to remove, again just open it, just pull down, then just push on this memory card, then release. See, after that we can remove the memory card. So this way we can insert and remove memory card. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So before you remove or insert memory card, make sure that camera is in off state. Okay, that is very important.